Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review BuilderTrend. In this video I'm going to focus on pricing plans, features, and also some pros and cons that I see. So let's start. Now, what is a BuilderTrend? BuilderTrend is a construction project management software, and as you can see, for home builders, specialty contractors, remodelers, and for commercial contractors, and I'll be showing you some features, what you can achieve with it. Now, what are some pros and cons? This is really important. The pros, that it got a lot of useful features with customer management, for project management, for scheduling stuff. Then intuitive design, that is like good from the intuitive perspective, and also good experience for customer. Now, the cons. The next thing that I'm going to show you, and it can be sometimes for starting businesses, the pricing plans can be a little bit expensive if you're starting out. Then they don't have free trial. So when I come here, start risk-free, and you see you always have to add a billing there. Then another thing, then when you're a new user, the learning curve can be a little bit tougher for you. So these are the cons that I personally see, but other than that, BuilderTrend is an amazing tool. And even I want to show you one thing before we go to the pricing plans. When you would come here and write BuilderTrend Google Play, you would see also like the popularity of it is really good. And plenty of people are using it with a time clock and everything. So that's something that I would definitely recommend to test it out. Now, pricing plans. Let's look and let's check the differences between these two plans here. When I come here to compare features, I see the core plan and pro plan. Core plan, leads tracking activity CRM, proposals, scheduling. You're gonna have also to-do lists here, time clock, docs and photos, daily logs, messaging, customer login, trade partner accounts, and budget. You have them on both, but then they are features that are not that you're not going to have in a core. So as you can see, change orders, selections, warranties, bids, estimates, bills and purchase orders, payment processing, and financial reporting. So if you need all these from selection, warranties, bids, estimates, you need to have a pro version. Now, when you come here to how it works, and we're gonna check the features, you can of course like schedule demo here, and you see it right here. Estimates and proposals. Import for Excel and other integrated softwares. Start working from existing templates. Leads and client relationship management. And you always, you would see right here. Email marketing. Then when we go even further, you're gonna have the daily logs here. Document and share important information with your team. To-dos, create and assign tasks to your team and or set reminders for your clients. Voice to text, and you see it right here how it works. Scheduling, this is really great that you can have like understanding what is important, what is actually happening. And then storing documents and photos. Share photo, video, and document files. Send messages. Work in progress report. Warranty. Land markup. And then you see right here, invoicing, bid requests. Payment processing, budgeting, purchase orders. So it's really complex from the project management perspective, pre-sale process, and also the customer management. Selections here, get client signature electronically. Service and reviews, communication. And these are like really great. So this is something that you should definitely keep in mind. And that's something which is like pretty cool. And then that's pretty much it. Now also when you would come here to BuilderTrend, Captura, you can always read about like what other people thought about it. See, the worst part would be the cost-benefit factor, especially as it important to recommend when we change to the smaller projects and they had to pay for project. So yeah, but you see, plenty of people are really satisfied, and the user interface is kind of clunky. So this is pretty much it. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. BuilderTrend, I recommend for everyone to test it out. You can have a demo. As I mentioned, you can have the pricing plan, which is a little bit expensive, but it is what it is. And yeah, definitely write down below in the comments your thoughts on BuilderTrend and what other tools you're using. So when other people would come here, they will be like, okay, so yeah, that's better, that's good. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.